Hello, and thank you for joining us today. Today we're looking at the Anker Portable S3 Portable Conference Speaker. This has improved the quality of my conference calls this period that we've been working at home most of the time. I have used this a bit because I bought it as an urgent requirement due to my setup at home. So what I've done is I've just put it back in the box just to let you know what I think about the speaker. This is part of my impression series on the channel where I look at devices and then let you know my use case for them. So in the box, what you get is you get the speaker. This is how it came. This is quite different from most of my videos because for this particular one, I've actually used the product itself. Other ones, I'm opening them for the first time. And having a look at what they look like. But with this one, because I've used it, hopefully I can give you a bit more insight on how it works. So you get a thank you card with details of customer service. I think that's usually what you get in this, and a user manual as well. And you will get a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. So that's what you will get with this device. So I'll close this up. And then we can talk about, the details on the device. So it comes with a carry case. This is a fabric carry case, so it's nothing fantastic. It does pick up dirt. You will see some bits on it. It's got an Anker branding on it, and it's got a zipper on it. And you open it up, and then you will meet the device. So why I like this device is I like versatile products, and this, besides just being a conference call speaker, it is also a power bank. It does contain 6,700 milliampere power bank inside it. So this is the reason why I bought it, because you see a lot of other ones, they are speakers, but that's all they do. They don't do anything else. So you need to plug them in to pick up power from your computer or something like that, or from a power source to use them. But this one actually has a power bank built into it. Other ones could have power, a rechargeable batteries inside them, but you cannot use them to charge your devices. So being Anker, being one of the top companies to manufacture power banks, they decided to build this into this. So if I'm traveling, I would, besides I plug this at home, I plug it straight into my laptop, and I use it for Teams calls, and it's just a fantastic device to use. The quality of the audio is amazing, and people can hear you can hear people, and it does actually improve the quality of your audio. I've actually used it to record a bit of voiceover, and it's amazing. It's almost the same quality as a condenser microphone. So watch out. I will probably use this for one of my videos one of these days. If I have any issues with my microphone, this will be a great USB microphone that you could use for voiceover as well. So it does contain 6,700 milliamperes battery inside it. It uses USB-A connection. So you can plug in a USB-A here and plug in the USB-C part into your laptop, or you can also, it does have Bluetooth. So the way I've got it set up at home, it is USB-A to my laptop. That's the connection to my USB-A port, to my USB-C port on my work laptop. Then my work phone, I've connected it via Bluetooth. So if I get a phone call, I can, make that call via Bluetooth. I don't have to hold the phone on my, close to my ear or put it on speakerphone, because this is a much better quality speaker. And then, I've used it for Teams and it works fantastically very well. So the material is plastic and fiber, and, some sort of fabric finish to it, which makes it even better. I believe there's a version that is all metal, but I prefer this one. It does have controls. So this is your play button. Because it's also a speaker, you can actually use it to play music from your phone as well. So if once everything opens up and we start traveling again, I look forward to taking this with me. So when you're having a quick team meeting with your colleagues, and some people are also calling in from a conference call, you can put this right in the middle of the room, and everyone can participate in the call, because they can hear each other and speak to each other. And when I get back to the hotel, this is also a speaker. I can use this to play music, and if my phone battery is low, I can plug this straight in and charge my phone. So it's a win-win situation with this device. Because I plug it straight into my laptop to make calls, it's always charging, because the laptop, it will pick up power from the laptop and charge the device. So by the time I need to use it as a power bank, it's fully charged and ready to go. Dimension wise, it is a bit of a square-ish with the curved edges, but it's about 12.4 centimeters by 12.4 centimeters, and the thickness is about 3 centimeters. It is a bit bulky, but I like the fact that it's flat, so you could slide it straight into your bag. And if you're going for meetings, you could just put your A4 notebook right next to it and hold it, especially if you hold it in the carry case. So what I do is I will pack it, put in the cable below, and throw it into the case and zip it up, and you are good to go. In terms of the conference call ability, if you look closely, you will see it's got 6 microphones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's got 6 microphones on all sides. So with this, it is a conference call device that you can put right in the middle of a meeting, and everyone can speak and their voice will get picked up. It works, when I'm speaking closely to it. It works when I'm like 2 meters away from it. It's obviously the further you go away from the device, your audio quality reduces. It works from what they said on Amazon. It works with Chromebook, it works with Windows, it works with Mac devices. It will work with Teams, Skype, Zoom call, WebEx, Google Hangout, FaceTime. It works with all those services as well. And the good thing is I plug it into my computer and it's plug and play. It does not require any form of, does not require any driver. Once you plug it in, so I'm just going to plug it in now. I'm not plugging it into my computer, but I'm just going to plug it into the device. You will see the controls here. So that tells you it's charging. That's the LED light that came up. So once you turn it on, that's the LED light. So the LED light comes up, and when you are speaking in a meeting, depending on where the audio is coming from, that LED, that blue light will indicate the microphone that is picking. So the light will come on this side if you're on this side of the speaker and you are talking. And if you want to, it's got a mute button in the middle. It's got a volume reduction and volume increment button on it, and if you have a call, this is the button that you use to pick the call or drop the call, whether you're on Bluetooth or you're on Teams. So it is a fantastic device to use. It does noise reduction and it enhances your voice. It also has an audio jack as well, where you can plug it and send the audio to another speaker if you want. So one of the features it also has is what they call the multi-person mode, where when two people are talking at the same time, both of you can hear each other clearly. So with the 6,700 milliamperes capacity, you should charge my Note 10 Plus once at least, and then a few more percentage, maybe an additional 30%. If you have an iPhone, there's a chance that you could charge your iPhone twice. So it is a fantastic all-in-one device, and I love it, and I look forward to using it. So if this video has been useful to you, kindly share the video with anyone you think wants to buy a speaker and a conference call speaker. Maybe this information will be useful and help them in their purchasing decision. It hopefully will help you as well if you're looking to buy a device like this. If you've used this before, share your experience with us. Let us know what you think of the device and your own use case as well. And till I come again, don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the notification button so that YouTube will let you know when I post a new video. And thank you very much for watching.